Namaste. This video is intended for beginner level yoga practice. It is targeted to improve the joint mobility, improve the lung capacity, and also overall health of a person. Practice along with the instructions. Do whatever possible. Improve the level of your practice day by day and enjoy. So come to sitting position first. Now extend your legs in front of you. Keep your hands back of your body. Relax a little while, shake your legs.
Relax in Shitala Dandasana. Keep shaking your legs, hands resting at the back of the body. Now bring your legs together. Inhale, stretch your toes forward. Exhale, point them back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front and exhale, back. Now rotate your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bring your hands by the side of the waist. Exhale, bend your left leg, touch chin on the knee, catching the shin. Release. Right leg. Release. Left leg, touch chin on the knee. Release. Right leg. Release. Left leg. Release. Right leg and release. Now bend your left leg, catch bottom of the thigh. Inhale, stretch your leg up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch and exhale, bend. Release that leg. Fold your right leg, catch bottom of the thigh. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 2. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 3. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 4. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 5 and exhale, bend. Release that leg. Now cross your left leg over the right thigh. Catching the toe, rotate the ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bring the heel close to the navel. Keep your hands back and flap the left thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now catch your left toe with the left hand. Inhale and stretch your leg up, straighten the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now keep that leg back on the floor along with the hand. Now cross your right leg over the left thigh, catching the toe, rotate the ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now keep that heel close to the navel. Keep your hands back and flap your right thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Catch your right toe with the right hand. Inhale, stretch your leg up, straighten the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep that leg back on the ground along with the hand. Now inhale, bring both your legs close to the groin. Catching the toe, butterfly your legs. Keep your back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly release both the legs in front of you. Keep your hands back, legs apart. Neck rotation, put your chin down, start rotating your neck. 1, 2, ensure that your ears brush past your shoulders. 3, go very mild. 4, enjoy this loosening practice. And 5, opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now join your legs. Hands in rowing position. Take an inhale here. Exhale, row forward. Inhale, pull back. Exhale, front. Inhale, back. Exhale, front. Inhale, back. Exhale, front. Inhale, back. Exhale, front and inhale, back. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now spread your legs. Make a wide V shape between the legs. Interlock your palms in front of the chest. Take an inhale here. Exhale, touch one toe. Inhale, rotate to the other and come back. Exhale 2, inhale back. Exhale 3, inhale, rotate back. Exhale 4, inhale back. Exhale 5 and inhale back. Opposite direction. Exhale 1, inhale back. Exhale 2, inhale back. Exhale 3, inhale back. Exhale 4, inhale back. Exhale 5 and inhale back. Now bring your legs to the center. Sit in Sukhasana or in Siddhasana, hands in Dhyana Mudra. Now bring your hands to the eyes. Open the eyelids far away. Begin eye rotation. 1. Look through the corners of the eyes. 2, 3. Expose the bottom part of the eyelids. 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now release your hands. Keep them in Dhyana Mudra. Inhale, look at the tip of the nose. Exhale, look at any one point on the front wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Now stay here looking at the nose. 1. Follow normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, look at the front wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your hands front parallel to the ground. Fist close. Spread your fingers. Close, spread. Close, wide spread. Close, spread. Close and spread. Palm drop. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Fist close. Rotate your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now fold your arms, bring them on the shoulder, straighten them. Fold, straight, fold, straight, fold, straight, fold, straight. Now fold your arms, touch your elbows in front, elbow rotation. 1, 2, make nice wide circles with the elbows. 3, 4, ensure your biceps brush past the ears. 5. Now opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one 5. Now interlock your fingers and stretch your hands up towards the sky. Follow normal breathing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Release your hands. Bring them in Dhyana Mudra. Release both your legs one by one in front of you. Keep your hands back and shake your legs. Relax in Shitala Dandasana. Your head resting backwards and your eyes closed. Now Marjari Asana. Fold both your legs to any one side and come to cat position, standing on your knees, hands and feet. Keep your knees apart, feet apart, sleeping toes. Inhale, head up, tailbone up, center spine down. Exhale, reverse, head down, tailbone down, center spine up. Inhale up, look towards your eyebrows. Exhale, reverse, look towards your navel. Inhale up. Exhale, reverse. Inhale up, make a nice U shape. Exhale, reverse, make a nice umbrella shape. Inhale up. Now stay here with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now with an inhale, look forward and exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. Now sit to the other side and release both your legs one by one. Keep your hands back and shake your legs. Relax again in Shitala Dandasana. Rest your head on the shoulders and close your eyes. The first asana we will be doing is Paschima Uttanasana. Now bring your legs together and keep your hands by the side of your waist, Samasthiti. With an inhale, lift both your hands straight up towards the sky, and with an exhale, try to catch your toes and keep looking at your toes. Follow slow, deep Ujjayi breathing over here and try to bring your forehead or your chin towards the knee. People who find it difficult to perform Paschima Uttanasana can perform Shashankasana or rabbit pose instead, where catching the hands behind the back, you have to bend forward and try to bring the forehead on the floor while sitting in Vajrasana. Now with an inhale, lift your hands back up towards the sky and exhale, bring your hands down. Now sit back and relax in Shitala Dandasana, shaking your legs, your hands behind and your head resting, eyes closed. The next asana is Ushtrasana or camel posture. Come to Samasthiti, legs together, hands close to the body. With an inhale, fold both your legs to any one side, and with an exhale, sit down into Vajrasana, hands in Dhyana Mudra. Follow Ujjayi breath here. With an inhale, stand up on your knees 1 foot apart, standing toes catch your waist. And with an exhale, bend back and try to catch your heels and look towards your eyebrows. Follow slow, deep Ujjayi breath here with sound. People who are unable to perform Ushtrasana may perform Ardha Ushtrasana, where you have to bend back looking towards the eyebrows while catching the waist. With an inhale, stand back up into kneeling position. Exhale, join your knees and sit back into Vajrasana, hands in Dhyana Mudra. Take an inhale over here and exhale, bend forward to Balasana or child posture. Follow normal breathing in this position. There is no need for deep breathing here. With an inhale, sit up and just exhale here. With an inhalation, sit to one side and exhale to release both the legs in front. Sit back and relax in Shitala Dandasana. The next asana is Vakrasana or twist posture. Come to Samasthiti, legs together, hands close to the body, point your toes forward. Inhale, bend your left leg close to the body like a mountain. Exhale, lift your right hand up. Try to put your right armpit on the left thigh and look towards the back wall. Try to follow slow rhythmic Ujjayi breaths over here while trying to catch the left toe or ankle. Inhale, look forward, release both the hands, and with an exhale, release the left leg into Samasthiti. Inhale, bend your right leg close to the body like a mountain. Lift your left hand up, bring your left armpit on the right thigh and look towards the back wall. Try to catch your right toes or ankle while maintaining slow rhythmic Ujjayi breath. With an inhale, look forward, release both your hands, and with an exhale, release the right leg into Samasthiti. Sit back, relax in Shitala Dandasana. Now come to Samasthiti again. Fold both your legs to any one side and come to cat position. Lie down into Makarasana. Your heels should be pointed inwards and your inner thigh should be resting on the ground, toes pointed outwards. Your hands should be folded and your head should be resting on your hands towards any one side. The next asana is Ardha Bhujangasana or half cobra posture. Come to Sthiti, stretch both your hands forward, keep both your legs together, toes pointed backwards. Take an inhale here. With an exhale, bring both your hands down, elbows and palm resting on the floor. With an inhale, arch your back, rise up into Ardha Bhujangasana. Try to look towards your eyebrows. Your legs should be resting on the ground as well as your elbows and your palm. Try to follow slow Ujjayi breath over here. With an exhale, come back down into the previous position. Let us now do Bhujangasana or Cobra posture. Place your palms by the side of your chest. With an inhale, rise up, arching your back, straighten your elbows and look towards the back wall. Open up your chest, pull your shoulders backward and try to follow slow Ujjayi breath in this position. With an exhale, come back down into the previous position and relax in Makarasana. Heels pointed inwards, toes pointed outwards, inner thigh resting on the floor, your head tilted to the other side. Slowly bring your hands by the side of your chest. With an inhale, stand up on your knees and exhale, Sit down into Balasana or child posture. Follow normal breathing in this position. Inhale, rise up, sit in Vajrasana, hands in Dhyana Mudra, and exhale. Kapalabhati Pranayama, 16 into 2 rounds. Take an inhale here and start exhaling. Your breath should stop for some time if you have done the practice correctly. Slowly, your breath will come back. Second round, take an inhale again and start exhaling. Let us do 5 rounds of Omkara. Relax in Shavasana or dead man's posture for 3 minutes. Keep your legs and hands loose. Don't tighten any body part. Just relax.